What if I told you we're living through a revolution as big as the invention of steam engines or electricity? Only this time, the machines can think. This isn't science fiction. It's the next industrial revolution, and it's being powered by artificial intelligence. From the first industrial revolution that gave us steam power to the second that brought electricity, and the third that introduced computers, each era changed how humans lived and worked. But now we're entering a fourth and even more transformative era, an age where machines not only follow instructions, they learn, reason, and evolve. Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't just an add-on to existing technology. It's the driving force behind a new kind of industrial revolution, one that's reshaping everything from how we manufacture goods to how we think about labor, innovation, and even creativity. In today's video, we'll explore how AI is powering the next industrial revolution, how it's transforming industries across the globe, and what it means for your future. 1. The historical parallel, from steam to silicon to sentience. Every industrial revolution began with a single spark, something that multiplied human productivity. In the 18th century, it was the steam engine. In the 19th century, electricity powered mass production. In the 20th, computing and automation reshaped industries. And now, in the 21st century, AI is taking the lead, not by giving us more machines, but by giving those machines the ability to think and adapt. This shift is often called Industry 4.0, where smart systems, data analytics, and machine learning come together to create self-optimizing factories, autonomous logistics, and predictive supply chains. In other words, we've gone from machines doing physical work to machines doing mental work. 2. Smart manufacturing, factories that think. Let's start with the core of any industrial revolution: manufacturing. Traditional factories rely on human oversight and fixed processes. But AI-powered factories, they're self-learning ecosystems. Companies like Siemens, GE, and Tesla are using AI to manage entire production lines. Sensors collect data from every machine, every second. AI systems then analyze that data to predict when a part will fail, adjust energy consumption, or even redesign workflows on the fly. This concept is called predictive maintenance, and it's saving billions. Instead of waiting for machines to break down, AI predicts failures before they happen. Downtime drops, productivity soars, and efficiency becomes exponential. And it's not just machines. AI is revolutionizing quality control too. Computer vision systems can detect microscopic flaws that even expert human inspectors might miss. In industries like semiconductor manufacturing or aerospace, this level of precision is priceless. These factories are no longer assembly lines. They're intelligent networks, constantly analyzing, learning, and improving. 3. AI in logistics and supply chains. A factory is only as strong as its supply chain. And in the modern world, supply chains are global, complex, and vulnerable. AI is changing that by creating smart logistics systems. For example, Amazon uses machine learning to forecast product demand, optimize delivery routes, and even position inventory closer to where customers are likely to order. During the pandemic, companies with AI-driven logistics adapted faster than those without, because AI could simulate disruptions and reroute supply chains in real time. Autonomous vehicles are the next step. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones are already being tested, cutting transportation costs and eliminating human error. This is a world where data becomes fuel, and AI turns it into decisions instantaneously. 4. The rise of collaborative robots, cobots. The old fear of machines replacing humans is being rewritten. In this new revolution, machines aren't rivals, they're partners. Enter the world of cobots, or collaborative robots. Unlike traditional industrial robots locked in cages, cobots are designed to work alongside humans. They can detect human presence, adjust their speed, and even learn from human demonstrations. For small and medium businesses, this means automation is no longer just for billion-dollar corporations. Cobots are affordable, adaptive, and safe. AI makes these machines understand context, whether it's helping a worker lift heavy parts, assembling delicate components, or sorting packages by shape and color. The future of work isn't humans versus machines. It's humans with machines. 5. AI and the energy revolution. Every industrial revolution has relied on energy, and AI is now transforming how we produce and manage it. AI systems are being used to optimize smart grids, predict energy demand, and balance renewable sources like wind and solar power. For example, Google's DeepMind reduced the energy consumption of data centers by over 40% using AI optimization. In oil and gas, AI models analyze geological data to locate drilling sites with minimal environmental impact. And in renewable energy, machine learning predicts weather patterns to maximize solar and wind efficiency. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a path toward a sustainable industrial revolution. 6. AI in design, research, and innovation. Traditionally, innovation was driven by human trial and error. Now, AI accelerates that process 1,000-fold. In engineering, generative design uses AI algorithms to create thousands of possible prototypes based on specific goals, like minimizing weight or maximizing strength. Companies like Airbus and Autodesk are already using it to design parts that are both lighter and stronger than ever before. In materials science, AI is helping discover new compounds and alloys faster than humans could ever imagine. And in pharmaceuticals, AI can analyze millions of molecules to predict which ones could become life-saving drugs, cutting years off traditional research timelines. AI is becoming the new co-inventor of the industrial world. 7. The data-driven economy. At the heart of this revolution lies data. Every sensor, machine, and transaction generates valuable information. AI takes that data and turns it into actionable intelligence, forecasting market trends, optimizing pricing, reducing waste, and improving customer experiences. In the industrial sector, this is called the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT, a vast network of connected devices sharing data in real time. Factories talk to warehouses, which talk to suppliers, which talk to retailers. Everything is connected, and AI is the translator that makes sense of it all. The result: a world where industries are not reactive, but proactive. 8. The workforce transformation. Now let's talk about the human side. Just like past revolutions, this one is reshaping the workforce. Routine jobs, whether in factories, offices, or logistics, are being automated. But that doesn't mean humans are obsolete. Instead, we're shifting toward high-skill, creativity-based, and management-driven roles. Things that require emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and problem-solving. AI is also transforming education and training itself. Through adaptive learning platforms, AI personalizes training programs to help workers upgrade their skills for the digital era. The next generation of workers will not just operate machines, they'll collaborate with them. 9. Challenges and ethical questions. Of course, every revolution brings disruption. There are real challenges: job displacement, data privacy, algorithmic bias, the environmental cost of massive AI computing power. Governments and industries are now working to ensure this revolution remains ethical and inclusive. Because if the benefits of AI aren't shared equally, we risk widening the gap between technological haves and have-nots. The key will be balance, leveraging AI for progress without losing sight of humanity. The first industrial revolution gave us machines that multiplied our muscle. The second gave us energy that illuminated the world. The third gave us computers that accelerated our minds. And now the fourth, driven by artificial intelligence, is giving us the power to think beyond our limits. We're witnessing a moment in history where data becomes creativity Machines become partners and innovation becomes infinite. The question isn't whether AI will shape the next industrial revolution, it's how you'll be part of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and share it with someone who's ready for the future.